Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my November Boxycharm box. I'm so excited. I can't wait. As you all know, that the Natashadenona palette might be in my box. I don't know. I haven't peeked. I left my eyes undone just in case. I'm praying. So if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. My name is Ashley. I love everything about makeup and I just love giving that back to you. And I do unboxings on my channel. I do hauls. I do luxury. I do drugstore. I do everything in between. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into the box. Alright, so I have the theme of the box. It's Boxycharm Harvest, and we have all the things on the back. I have variation 27 with a heart. And so, okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. So first thing I see is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. Looks like this. The retail value on this is actually $45, so that's actually very expensive. Let's look at this. It's a mask. I'm not interested in masks, especially a polishing mask, because that makes me feel like it's going to eat away at my skin. So it just says it's powered by 8 Super Orange Essence, Nourishing Mask and Face Polish in 1, Hydrates to leave skin smooth, supple, and radiant, Pumpkin Boost Collagen, Turmeric Smooth Skin. So I think I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law, actually. She might really like this, for Christmas or something like that, but let's move on to the next item. Alright, next up in the box, I got the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. It looks like this. And this just says it's a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Interested in that. I love hyaluronic acid. So the staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved as well as feeling and looking softer than before. I saw this and I really wanted it, so it looks like this. Really pretty. And I want to see, it doesn't have a smell to it, but it's very liquidy, as you can see. So really viscous. I want to see how it feels on the hand, if it's very hydrating. So here's what it looks like. And as you can see, it goes on really hydrating. So that's very promising, and that actually retails for $24. Let's move on. Ooh, this is really exciting. Next up, I got the Milk Makeup. This is the Waterproof Kush Mascara. Retails for $24. It's a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. I do not use waterproof mascara, so I will be giving this in a giveaway to you guys, so look out for that. I'm going to be doing some giveaways on Instagram. Definitely follow me over there at AshleyLamora26. I will be doing a giveaway over there. And I also have this Jessica Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. It's just it says meet the perfect under eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish and it retails for $15. Could have used this today. So it looks like that, really nice and peachy, and it does look like it would correct my under eye circles, so the dark circles I have on my under eye. And the last thing in the box, oh my gosh, I got the Peak palette. I got the Natashadenona Peak palette, which retails for $48, which just makes this box ultra special. Here it is, all 5. There are 4 mattes and 1 metallic. Here's the first swatch. I'm going to swatch this for you, and I'm going to put it on my eyes. Wow, that is pigmented. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. And then we have this shade. So here are all the shades swatched. Really pretty. Let's do an eye look. Alright, so I did one eye off camera because I didn't want to take up too much time, but I'm going in with the BK Beuty 202 brush. These were very kindly gifted to me from BK Beuty, and I'm going into this shade right here, this sort of nice peach shade. I'm going to run that through the crease and fluff it up toward the brow bone. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got this. So if I'm not mistaken, this was exclusively made for Boxycharm, or was it already out there? Because I saw Manny MUA say, and I'm going in with this shade right here, say that he had it and he gifted it to his mom. So was it already existing? Is it already out there? Let me know. Just running that through there. And then I'm going to go and take my finger and take that shimmer and go all over the lid. This is so pretty. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I was wanting this and I was hoping, because I saw some people did not get it in their box, and I was like, of course it's going to be me. I'm not going to get it in my box. I don't have luck with Boxycharm like that. Taking the Refer 02, and I'm going to take this nice dark brown shade and just place that on the outer corner. Really, really pretty. Oh, this just made the whole entire box, because this alone is worth $48. And if you didn't know, and you're new to Boxycharm, this base box only costs $25 plus tax. So $27, and you're guaranteed a retail value of over $125. So we will see what mine adds up to be. I can't wait. Alright guys, I added everything up in my box, and my total came to $156, which is well worth the money. $27. It's $27 because there's tax in there. So it's well worth the money to buy Boxycharm. I love Boxycharm. I love doing Boxycharm unboxings. I can't wait for my premium to see what I got in there. And yeah, let me know if you guys have Boxycharm down below, what you got. If you got the Peak palette, let me know. I'm interested. This box just made it worth it for me. So to recap, we got the Natashadenona Peak palette worth $48. The Farsali Quench, which is worth $24. The Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, $24. The Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask, worth $45. And the Jessica Black Liquid Corrector 2.0, which I'm so excited about, is worth $15. I can't say enough good things about this box. This is by far my favorite Boxycharm box that I've ever received because of that Natashadenona palette. I've never received anything Natashadenona through Boxycharm, so this to me is really, really exciting. So this is it for the video, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.